Mastering VLOOKUP in Excel 365. Avoid these 5 common mistakes in 2026. As a data analyst, you've probably encountered the infamous VLOOKUP function in Excel 365, a powerful tool that can either make or break your spreadsheet. But did you know that even the most experienced Excel users often make the same 5 common mistakes when using VLOOKUP? In this tutorial, we'll dive into the world of VLOOKUP and explore the most critical errors to avoid in 2026, so you can master this function and unlock its full potential. First, let's start with the basics. A VLOOKUP is used to search for a value in a table and return a corresponding value from another column. It's an essential function in data analysis, but without proper implementation, it can lead to frustrating errors and lost productivity. The correct syntax for VLOOKUP is equals VLOOKUP, lookup underscore value, table underscore A, col underscore index underscore number, range underscore look.